Chongqing Scope Instrument Co. Limited was founded in 2017. We are specialized in microscope sales enterprises. The staff of the company have rich experience in foreign trade and export, and provide solutions to after-sales problems. With the expansion of the company's business, we also sell air disinfection machine and metallographic equipment. This is the metalworking workshop of the factory, grinding the raw materials to make the whole frame of the machine. The processing machinery adopts import brother CNC machine, with high production. Optical workshop is to polish our optical lenses, such as objective lens and eyepiece. Every step is subject to strict prosecution. Each workshop has its own warehouse. The assembly workshop is to assemble our products. The whole workshop is dust-free workshop, which is more accurate for the production of microscope. Our factory has more than 100 employees, and they all have rich experience. This is our microscope head assembly workshop, where eyepiece is installed and adjusted. The assembly process of the microscope is completed in the dust-free workshop. The annual production capacity of our factory is about 20,000 sets of various microscopes. In the packing workshop, the products and accessories are packed separately, packed in foam boxes, packed in cartons, and affixed with transport labels. We have the Industry Authority Certification, ISO 9001, CE, RoHS, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, with export qualification, as well as product quality assurance.